Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we are taking a look at the FoldAway-J from Malone. As the name would suggest, this J cradle folds down when a kayak is not loaded for less wind resistance when left on the vehicle. Removal of the carrier also would be simple with the easy to use mechanism securing the unit to your bar. The FoldAway-J will fit most factory and aftermarket crossbars, and installation is simple. Just place it on your bar, move the two clamps into place, and tighten the wing nuts until you can't slide the carrier on your crossbar. To tighten on your kayak once you have it loaded in the cradles, grab the supplied buckle straps and thread it through the strap bail on the cradle. Then drape both ends over the other side of the boat. Route the strap down through the loop in the cradle, under your crossbar, then through the buckle pad and up through the bottom of the buckle. Pull it tight to cinch the strap. Repeat the same process for the strap on the other cradle. Don't forget to tie down your kayak bow and stern with the bow and stern tie-down straps included with the FoldAway-J. Thank you for checking out our video. If you have any questions about the product, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email at info@rackwarehouse.com.